Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study for Physical Science Easy Guide. Start by making a simple weekly plan that breaks the subject into short, focused sessions and realistic goals. Organize notes by topic and highlight key formulas and definitions. Mix reading with active practice, like solving problems and explaining ideas out loud. Review labs and diagrams visually, and set quick weekly checkpoints to measure progress and adapt your plan. In this video, I will explain how to study for Physical Science Easy Guide. Focus on active practice by solving varied problems under timed conditions and narrating each solution. Convert passive notes into questions and flashcards, then test yourself frequently. Alternate problem types to build adaptable skills, and revisit mistakes to understand reasoning errors. Balance conceptual review with hands-on problem work to strengthen both theory and application for exams. In this video, I will review how to study for Physical Science Easy Guide. Quick recommendation. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker can set study timers, play focus music, and read notes hands-free, which makes long sessions friendlier. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to study for Physical Science Easy Guide. Use diagrams and annotated sketches to link formulas to real setups and measurements. When reviewing lab work, outline purpose, method, observed data, and the main conclusion in one concise sentence. Pause videos to predict results before watching outcomes, and recreate simple experiments safely to reinforce understanding. Visual summaries make concepts easier to recall during exams.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.